What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm replacing the shifter slide plate on my Lexus IS250. As y'all know, these things get brittle over time. In my case, my son dug down here and broke up all the plastic. So now I gotta replace it. I got a new one off Amazon. They got different ones. This one cost me I think it was like $7.99 it cost for this little plastic piece. Now, to get it out, it's not that hard. I seen somebody put a video on how to get it out. First of all, first thing, take the ashtray out so this doesn't fall. Next, you have to take the shifter off. You just take the shifter and screw it counterclockwise. The shifter comes right off. Like that. Next, you got to take these two side plastic pieces out. Right here. Oh, man. Hold on. I ain't got no nails. I got to get a screwdriver. Hold on for 1 second. Okay, I got the two plastic pieces out. I had to use a scraper to get under the edges and pull it up. Then you got to open here. Then you got to go in here and you pull the whole thing up. And of course, I don't have nobody to hold the camera, so it's kind of hard to pull up. So give me 1 second. I'll get it up. I'll be back as soon as I get this up. Okay, I got this piece loose. Now, got to be careful because there's wiring harnesses under here. Okay. Okay, this is the one that's for the, the lights and stuff over here. This one is for your heated and cooled seats. It's kind of dirty down here, so I'm gotta clean this up. Get all the old plastic pieces out of here. Yeah, this is dusty from my son eating here, spilling stuff. So give me a few. Let me clean this out real quick. I'll be back with y'all in a few minutes. Okay, I got things a little cleaner. So all you do is take this. This is the new one. Put it in this slot right here. Slide it in. This right here has to line up when you put the shifter back in. I took the harnesses out. This one I didn't unplug. I just took it out the slot right here. So this one, I just slide this back in the slot right here. Okay. It's not easy when nobody wants to hold the camera for you. But this slides. Let me get this so y'all can see. This slides right in here. I'm trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Not easy. Okay, that slides there. This is for the heated and cooled seats. I gotta turn it this way so I can actually slide it in. It slides right in this slot right here. I'm just trying to let y'all see what I'm doing. But I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time. So that's a headache to do that. But this slides into this right here. Okay, that's back in. And now you just take this, put it back so the shifter can come through the hole. Right there. And you basically reverse everything as far as putting everything back together. You don't need any tools or anything, just maybe a scraper or something to get these plastic side pieces out, these right here. Or if you got fingernails, just pop them up with your fingernails. You just pull those out, screw the shifter off. You don't need no real special tools. It's not difficult to do. Give me a second. Let me put this all back together and I'll show you. Okay, I got everything in. This slides over here. So now you take the front, you put the front back in place. The back, you just bang that down. Bang everything down. That's all in place. The plastic pieces go this way. You take them. They have little clips, so you got to slide the clips into place. They have clips that go, you see the clips right here on the side, they go in the little slots. The slot there and a slot right there. So you have to slide these clips into their slots. That's one. And put the other. And the other one is right here. Take this. Slide these into their slots. Slide them into place like this. Okay, this one wants to act weird. Okay, that one's in. That's it. Shift knob. Put it back on. Okay, shift knob is back on, and plate is back in place. Put my ashtray back, and everything's right. Turn the car. Make sure my heated and cooled seats come on. Okay. Okay, it lights orange for heat and it lights green for cool. So the heated and cool seats, everything works right. And that's how you replace the slide plate on the Lexus IS250, IS350, and the Lexus ISF. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the channel. More to come.